yeah, that concludes the giveaway for the long sleeve tee. Well, Max was the only one who actually came back to me, so congrats Max. So you all other people for not giving a hoot about me. I kid. Okay, so hope you guys are watching this video, and I'll be giving away this fishing rod, which is the Xpuyu Tiny Rod, which is the same one which I used for that trip. It's a 4-foot one-piece medium light spinning rod. I got this from like TC Tackles for, I don't know, $8 or $10, so it's really not such a big deal to give it away, and hopefully one of you will make better use of it. And I'll be giving away the exact one which I use and own, so there's like a little scuff mark on the blank itself. So if you're like really particular about that, then like like just don't bother, like don't bother. Anyway, I feel like this rod is suitable for use at most bigger grounds, freshwater fishing in Singapore for like pickup bass and whatever. But if you're doing anything more than that, then it might not be so suitable. You might want to reconsider. And if you want to win this one for yourself, just head over to my Instagram page and look out for one of the Instagram posts with like some instructions on how to win this. And hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching, and tight lines and smiley face.